right, so remember, your properties are multiplication is addition, because we're expanding these, so that's why we're going to go that way. If you see bases side by side, it's multiplication, so we're going to add. If you see a fraction, that's a subtraction. And then if you guys have the power rule, like I said, you guys are always good at, just go ahead and throw it in front as a coefficient, okay? So we don't have a fraction here, so there's no subtraction. It's just going to be, right, if when you look at this, you see a base here. 12 is a base, right? Like 3 times 4. Okay, you have x cubed, and then you have this y. So you actually have 3 bases. So I'm going to end up having 2 addition signs, right? So that product quotient, I'm going to end up putting plus signs there. And so I'm going to have a log and a log and a log, right? Okay, so if I start that way, I'm going to have log base A of 12 plus log base A of x cubed plus log base A of square root of y. Okay, this is really, really good. If you can do this, you understand it. Now, the only thing is you have to do the power rule, which takes that cubed and then this, like what we went over the last 2 days, change it to the fractional, right? So this little radical, you're going to have to turn it into a fractional exponent, and then you're going to have to take it to the front. That's the power. So log base A of 12 plus 3 log AX plus, okay, and so this is the equivalent of 1/2, which is what we did on a Monday, Tuesday, right? So then if I bring that 1/2 to the front, right, I get 1/2 log AY. And so that's it. You're done. You expanded. So some of them aren't too bad. It's just some of the ones on this worksheet, there's a little too many radicals, so you're just like, this is super extra. I'm still recording it. I'll go to 9. Oh, the graph paper is always on the front. Yeah, whatever you want. Oh, okay. Go to 9? You guys are good? Okay. You have a fraction, and so that's going to be your subtraction here. So this here, you're going to do a break. So this here is going to be your minus, and then you're going to have this here, which is going to be a positive, right? Because that's an addition, right? And then that 2 is your power. So if you want first, let's just break up the green. We'll break up the fraction and use the quotient. So log of 4, and then I'll write the front, the numerator. So then this is my minus log 4 x plus 2. And so now this is your numerator. That's your denominator. And now you just break up the others. All right, so then if I go with the addition next, right, so I'll break this up to a positive. Yeah, I'll just do one at a time. Log 4 x plus 3 squared plus log 4 x plus 6. Make sure I copyright you guys. 4 x plus 2. Okay, so there's that. And so now your only thing is you have your powers. There's not one there. And you have this one. You have your powers. And then you guys are done. So remember, with your power, you just bring it to the front, bring it to the front. So 2 log 4 quantity x plus 3, plus log 4 quantity x plus 6, and then minus 1/2, I'll write it over here, log 4 x plus 2, because, right, this is really to the 1/2, and so that's the, right, that's the power that I'm taking over to the coefficient. And then that's it. You're done. It's not bad. It doesn't matter how many bases they give you, you just have to ask yourself, am I adding or subtracting? That's it. And then I'll shut off the video and we'll go to another. Okay.